Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my DIY paper shuriken or ninja star. So shurikens are ninja stars used by cool ninjas in Japan. They come in different shapes like stars. Long time ago and they had sharp points. Traditional shurikens were made from metal, but today they can made from safe materials like plastic or foam. Throwing shuriken takes practice, like a ninja training. We can play with a shuriken as a toy, aiming at targets or pretending to be a ninja. So, this is the step-by-step paper folding. So, made by Playto Labs. So, we have to fold we have to follow all these steps and then repeat all these steps again and again and again. Then we have to connect all of them together and glue them, and you will get something like this. So, and the science of shuriken is shurikens fly differently because of their shape. So if you don't have these pointy, so when you throw a shuriken, the energy makes it move. So the sharp points on the shuriken help it to move through the air. So if you don't have these sharp points like the hair, then it will just move here and fall down. So a spinning shuriken stays steady in the air. It can stay in the air longer. So playing with shuriken helps you learn to concentrate, aim, and learn about flying objects. So you can create a game like you have to throw the shuriken. There'll be a paper cup tower, and we'll have to throw the shuriken, and then the shuriken, whoever knocks down the most number of cups with the ninja star or shuriken will be the winner, and will get to pretend to be, and they will get to be the ninja in the next round. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy. Shuriken, bye, and get ready to be a ninja. And keep watching for more interesting origami projects. Shuriken, bye!